See, black hat hackers are working tirelessly every day to discover vulnerabilities in different platforms to take advantage. They are cyber criminals, so they want to take advantage of every loophole they find in any social media platform as well as in some systems. So, as somebody that has experience in cybersecurity, I'm here to inform you on how to secure your YouTube channel so that it doesn't get hacked one day. So, stay to the end for you to get everything and apply them to stay safe. The most important step you need to take is to add recovery email address and phone number in your Gmail. All right? Your Gmail linked to your YouTube account should have recovery email address and phone number. Because if any person wants to hack your your YouTube account, YouTube is going to send some confirmation links to this to ensure that you are the one trying to sign in from another device. So if you have been getting notification that you should add recovery email address or recovery phone number and you have been ignoring it, it's time to take it serious. That is the first thing you need to do. All right. So if you have another Gmail account or you have a brother or a sister that has another Gmail account, if you don't have another one, link it, add it as a recovery email address. All right. Then recovery phone number should be your phone number, or you're allowed to create as many email addresses as you want, whether Gmail or Outlook, all right, or Hotmail or iCloud Mail. Just link that one as a backup, should in case. And now, without taking much time, let me walk you through on how you can add recovery email address and phone number in your Gmail. Let's get into it. The first is open your web browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome, okay? So as your web browser opens, visit gmail.com and sign in, all right? As you sign into your Gmail account, this is for tutorial purpose actually. So this is not my email address linked to my YouTube account, okay? But I'm doing this for tutorial purpose, so I'm using another email account. Click on the profile icon, which is here. If you have a profile image, it will be displayed here, it will be here. Or if you don't have a profile image or just later, that will be here. Are you getting it? Where my cursor is pointing, it will be just maybe letters. The letter starting your first name and your last name. All right. So click there. On this new page, click on your Google account. All right. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Okay. Come to this section and click on security. Then scroll down this page. In this section, how you sign into Google, you will see if you have recovery email address and email address and phone number added, all right, in this Gmail account. Okay, so under recovery phone number, if you don't have any, Google will ask you to add a phone number. So add your own phone number, all right, and they will send you recovery code to that phone number to confirm you are the one. So here my phone number is hidden for security purpose, all right. In this recovery email address, if you don't have a recovery email address added, Google will ask you to add one. And once you add one, they will send a link or code to this newly added recovery email address. Then and provide you space to type it. Once you type that, it is verified. Okay, so this is the basic step you have to take. So let me tell you other steps to ensure that your YouTube channel is secured for you not to be hacked. Another important security measure you may need to take, or right step you need to take, is making sure that on your Gmail, the basic information about yourself is correct. All right. Take for example your full name and your date of birth. Okay, I know sometimes people don't feel that exactly, maybe because of the fact that they don't want their information to be known, But for the fact that this is an email address you are using to run your YouTube channel, please, it's very important. So go there, go to that your account section. Before security, there is an option for basic information. Click on it and then edit information there. Fill your real name and your real date of birth. The reason for this is should in case anything happen tomorrow, maybe somebody hacks your YouTube channel. All right. Google will ask you that question of what is your date of birth so that they will check with the one they have in their system. All right, the one you filled first in the system. So your name should be there and your date of birth, your correct date of birth, so that you don't make mistake. Okay, okay. So, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't answer a different name in your YouTube channel. There are two different things. Okay, so that's another security measure you need to take. All right. So let's. Okay, another way to prevent your YouTube channel from being hacked is through your YouTube studio. All right, that is another basic information you need to know. So when you get to your studio, studio.youtube.com, you sign in, click on the customization option. Okay, as you go down, there is a space for contact information, and they request that you should fill email address people will use to contact you. Maybe somebody comes to your YouTube channel, he likes what you're doing, he wants to give you a brand deal, or you want to have an arrangement with you, maybe for you guys to meet somewhere, maybe he wants you to come and tutor to the students, or you want you to come and talk to the people in his company. In that space for you to fill the email address, don't fill the email address linked to your YouTube channel. Very important. Don't fill it there. The email address that you fill is a different email address. All right. The email address linked to your YouTube channel should be kept secret. Why is it so? It is so because somebody may send you email with the intention of getting your YouTube Gmail account. All right, the Gmail account linked to your YouTube channel. So when you respond to that mail, he has already gotten the email address and can use it to operate, perform some kind of fishy stuff. Okay, so be mindful of that. Fill a different email address there in that box. Okay, another thing is if you are making an email address public, maybe you see in the profile of some content creators, they will tell you to contact me, send this email to this particular email address, or call this phone number. If you're making your own public like that, please let it not be the email address that is linked to your YouTube channel. It's very important. There are a lot of phishing attempts going on in our world of today. All right, cyber security theft is on the increase. Cyber security theft. So people want to steal, they want to reap where they did not sow. So be very careful. So fill a different email address so that if somebody gets that email address, he will not be able to harm your YouTube channel. All right. Keeping your password safe is very important. That's another security measure. You know, the password that is linked to your Gmail account is the same password you're using to log into your YouTube channel. I hope you know because they are all Google properties. All right. So keep your password safe. If you have a file in your house, you can write it, find a notebook, all right, not even a piece of paper, a notebook, write the password there and the email address, and then keep them in a file. If you have a safety box, lock that file there, please. Because you see one thing about these hackers, somebody around you may be a black hat hacker. You know, you may not know. You may try to use your child if you're married to get your security information. You may ask your child, "Do your dad they have a file?" He say, "Yes, go and get it for me. I want to check something inside." Maybe in your absence. So please lock it and have the key. All right. So be mindful of your password. Your password should not leak. It's very necessary. Okay. All right. I experienced something when I set a new YouTube channel as a business channel. Right. YouTube. I set a new Gmail account as a business Gmail account and the YouTube channel as a business YouTube channel. What happened was that after setting that thing up, Google contacted me, YouTube contacted me, sent me email that they want to carry out extra security measure. So watch out for that message if you are yet to start a YouTube channel. and you had your channel as a business channel, all right, and your Gmail account as a business with Gmail account, they may send you email requesting for you to make a video of your face. All right, they will tell you, send you a link to click. Then if you do that, they will confirm you are a human and also strengthen that security. Why they are doing all this thing is the case something like hacking comes up tomorrow. They'll know, okay, we have his first face, let's check. All right. Maybe the person that hacks into your account is claiming that he's the owner of the account. I was okay, take your face. So when the person sends the face, they'll compare it with the first one, know that it's not the same. All right. So be on the lookout. If you are required to do that, do it. Any security measure Google says you should do it. Okay. Or sometimes they may ask you to scan your valid ID card to them, your national ID. Scan it to them. It's for security reason. It's for security purpose. And they are doing all these things to make you stay safe. Okay. Another security measure for your account, YouTube account not to be hacked, is to be conscious of phishing links. It may come in different formats. By phishing links is any link sent to your email with the intention to steal your confidential information. All right. It may come from some people claiming that they are SEO experts. They'll tell you they will drive traffic to your website and they'll tell you you should click on this link to fill a form with them or anything. Please be mindful. Don't click on anyhow link. All right. Any link that tells you, any person that sends you email and tell you to click on a link to fill form, be mindful. As you're filling your email address there, those guys at the back end are seeing it. They want to steal your email address and your password. So don't go there and be clicking on any link sent to your email, please. It may be a way to get some confidential information about yourself. And that's why I don't give this guy's face. All right. Any person that comes to my email, I'm a SEO expert. I want to do this. I want to drive traffic to your site. I don't even respond. I block them immediately because they come in so many ways. If you must use that link, copy it. Don't click it from your email address. Copy it and open a web browser and paste it there. They don't feel your confidential information there. It's very important. All right, I have the last point here, and that last point still has to do with your YouTube studio. All right, it has to do with your YouTube studio. When your channel is growing, you may need to add someone to help you. And you can do that by clicking on settings, then get to permission, and then there is an aspect of it that talks about assigning role. So if you want to assign role to somebody, assign the role of an editor to him or her. All right, don't go there and give him the role of a co-owner or a manager, please, because some people are bad. And when you're doing this, do it with somebody you are trusted. If you assign that person as a co-owner, he may end up deleting you, removing you from to be from among the people that owns that channel, and it's very risky. You lose your channel, something you have worked on for years. All right. A young man complained last time of how he nearly lost his YouTube channel. It's all this carelessness. So don't add that person as a co-owner or a manager. You can give him the role of editor, limited one, so that you can have the right to just upload videos and talk about and write some things about the description and title and set up your video. Don't give him that access, that very big access, because he may end up harming you and your YouTube channel gets hacked at the end of the whole thing. So I believe I'm able to give you valuable information in this video. So if you find it helpful, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the like button, all right? So that YouTube will push this video to more people. Okay? Subscribe. Leave a comment. If you have some questions as well, just drop that in the comment section. I will great time and answer you within a shortest time. Okay? Watch this video here to learn more on YouTube tips. Okay? Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.